Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to class 8. Today we'll be learning a new lesson in English. So, what can you see on the board? A bat, a ball. So, what do you think this lesson is about? Cricket? Yes, good. So, today's lesson is about a cricket match and the lesson's name is Before the Match. And this lesson is written by R.K. Narayan. Sir R.K. Narayan was one of the Indian writer and he is very famous for his writings. And moreover, he has written many novels also. And this lesson, Before the Match, is taken from, it's an extract from the book Swami and Friends. So it is just a part of book. The name of the book is Swami and Friends. Here, Swami Nathan is the main character of the lesson. Usually what happens in village sides are the young school boys, once they are done with their school activities, school homeworks, everything, they form two teams and they start playing matches. So same thing happens here in this lesson also. Swaminathan joins his friends and they will be practicing for a cricket match which will be scheduled on Sunday. So they will have an opponent team. The two teams are MCC and YMU. We will learn what is MCC and YMU when we are reading the lesson. So here, Swaminathan belongs to the team of MCC. So in the team of MCC, the captain of MCC was threatening everybody in the team, telling that if you all don't win the match, then it will not be good for you all. And the team leader, the captain of the team was Rajam. He was very scared because of Swami. Why? Because Swami used to go to school and every day in his school he had drill practices. Yes, as we have PT classes once in a week, in school, in the olden days, there was one period called for drill. And in that drill practice, all the students were supposed to gather and start practicing whatever was taught by the PT master. But Swaminathan was not excused from this class. What do you mean by this? That when he went and took permission from the drill master telling, I am really very sick, doctor told me if I don't rest, I will die. He'll give all lame excuses telling, I don't want to die, allow me to go home early. Why did he give all these excuses? Just because he wanted to go and practice for the cricket match. So he does one thing. When the master is not allowing him to go home early, what Swaminathan does is he goes to a doctor telling that I'm delirious. I'm suffering from delirium. But this Swaminathan, he doesn't even know what he's speaking. According to him, it is stomach pain. So the doctor laughs at him and tells, what are you speaking, Swami? So now, Swami will tell, doctor, my sir is not allowing me to go home early, but I have to go home. If not, my captain will remove me from my team. So let's see what happens in the lesson. So look into page 19. Before the match. R.K. Narayan was an Indian writer who was among the three most important writers who carved a place for Indian writing in English. In his first novel, Swami and Friends, he describes the adventures of a group of schoolboys in India in the 1930s. So this story took place in the 1930s among the schoolboys. And it's an extract from Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. The match was to be played on Sunday 2 weeks later. That is after 15 days and the 15th day will be a Sunday. Rajam lost all peace of mind. He felt confident that his team could thrash the YMU. What do you mean by this? Rajam lost his peace of mind in the sense he was not, he did not stay. He had some thoughts going on in his mind telling that if my team can really win with the YMU. But he was confident enough telling that my team can defeat YMU. He himself could be depended upon to not let down the team. Of course, we have to make sure that if you become the leader of your class, you'll be having a responsibility of maintaining the discipline of class. Yes? So similarly, when Rajam becomes a captain of the cricket team for MCC, it becomes his responsibility to look after every activity that takes place in the team. Mani was steady if unimpressive. He could be depended upon to stop with his head, if necessary, any ball. His batting was not bad. There was only one player who caused him the deepest anxiety day and night. Since I told you, Swami was the only player who caused more trouble to Rajam. On him rested a great task, and Swami had a great task. Let's see what is the task. A mighty responsibility. He was the Tate of the team. Tate is a bowler. Okay, so Swami was the best bowler in MCC. So when you play cricket, for example, you would have seen in IPL, RCB and other teams, Mumbai Indians and so on, we all have hopes in RCB for the batsmen. Since all the batsmen, since RCB have strong batsmen as AB de Villiers, yes, Virat Kohli. But what happens? We lose our hopes when Virat Kohli comes to the field. Yes, so here all of them in MCC are having their hopes and they are having 100% of confidence in Swaminathan. Why? Because he's the Tate of the team. He's the best bowler of the team. Even with the match only a fortnight off, he did not seem to care for practice. Swami, Rajam pleaded, please do try to have at least an hour's practice in the evenings. Certainly, Rajam, if you can suggest a way. So Swami, as he was not attending the practice match every day, he was very much worried. The captain was worried. So he'll request Swami that, I request you to practice 1 hour for the match every day. Why not tell your headmaster that? So Rajam is telling, tell your headmaster about this. Oh, no, Swaminathan cried. I am grateful to you for your suggestion. But let us not think of that man. So he knows his drill master is very strict person. So he's telling, think of some other way instead of going to the headmaster. I don't care. What I want is that you should have good practice. If you keep any batsman standing for more than 5 minutes, I will never see your face again. So what Rajam is telling Swaminathan, he's threatening him. He's telling that if I find that if you don't get that batsman out, how will tell? How's it? Out. Similarly, he's telling, if I find any of the YMU batsmen is standing and playing for more than 5 minutes, remember, I will never see your face again. Just 7 days before the match, Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. As soon as the evening bell rang, he lined up with the rest in the drill ground. But contrary to the custom, he had not taken off his coat and cap. But all the others were in their shirts with their dhotis tucked up. The drill master stopped before him, looked him up and down, and passed on muttering, "You won't get leave." So when there's a PT class, will you wear coat, dhoti, and do you wear all your costumes and go? But what happens here now? No, this Swaminathan wanted to go home and do the practice every day in the evening. But what happens here is Swaminathan, when there's a drill period every day, all the students will take off their coats. But Swaminathan will not take because he wants his drill master to allow him to go home. But the drill master will go near him, mutter in the sense, chewing the teeth and telling him that you will not get any more holidays. Understood?